Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this video. And for today, I'll be talking about calculus. And alam natin na masakit sa ulo yung calculus. But before we get into the things that will hurt our head, dun muna tayo sa may history ng calculus. Mainly yung dalawang founder nito na si Isaac Newton and si Leibniz. And I think silang dalawa kasi iba naman yung parts na nahanap nila. For Newton, he found differential calculus, and for Leibniz, he found integral calculus. So I think it's worthy that both of them should be called the father of calculus, and yeah, it should be honored that they're the fathers of calculus. Now that you know about the founding fathers of calculus, I'll go on about limits, one of the components of calculus, and it will branch out on the many other parts of calculus. So, in short, limits is a function as x approaches a certain number. That's pretty much it. It will approach a certain number, and whatever that approaches, the answer to that function, that's the limit of it. Like, for example, I'll give you the limit of the function x plus 1 as x approaches to 2. You can use algebraic and just substitute the 2 into the x, which will give you the limit of the function x plus 1 as it approaches to 2 is 3. So yeah, bear with the background noise. I'll be giving one real world example that will hopefully help you understanding limits more. Let's say the inflation rate of our country. Let's say the inflation rate of Philippines is monitored to be following the function of f of x is equal to 3x squared plus 2x minus 5x plus 3. What will be the inflation rate of our country if it followed that trend for 4 years? I'll be answering this background noise again. I'll be answering this downstairs as I do not have a whiteboard here. So, see you there. So, okay, we're now downstairs. We will now answer the question once again. Our inflation rate is observed to follow the function f of x is equal to 3x squared plus 2x minus 5x plus 3. What will be the inflation rate after 4 years? So let's answer this step by step using the law of limits. Let's first write out our given. We can just substitute the 4 into these. We'll have 3 and 4 squared plus 2 minus 4 minus 5 minus 4 plus 3, since it's 48 plus 8 minus 20 plus 3 would then be 39. So in the end, we have 39% as our inflation rate after 4 years. Now this is just an example and not really our inflation rate, so don't worry it too much. But yeah, given my example of the function f of x 3x squared plus 2x minus 5x plus 3, this would be the inflation rate after 4 years. This is just an example and not the actual inflation rate, but given about limits, this is an example of a limit in real life. And that's pretty much it from me. That's all about this lesson about calculus, and I talk about limits and a little bit about history of limits. That's all, Jane.